Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to fix Bambu Lab MQTT connection error, MQTT command verification failed solution. Fix 1. Update Bamboo Studio and Bamboo Handy. Update Bamboo Handy from the App Store or Google Play. If the app is already updated, sign out of your Bamboo account, then clear the app cache if available and then sign back in. Now download and install the latest version of Bamboo Studio from the official Bamboo Lab website instead of relying only on the built-in updater. Then restart both the printer and your computer after updating. Fix 2. Refresh the printer connection. On the printer, go to Settings, then go to Network WLAN, then from there go to LAN mode and generate a new access code if available. Now remove the printer from Bamboo Studio and add it again using the printer's IP address and the new access code. If the issue still continues, close Bamboo Studio and delete its configuration folder. For example, C colon slash users slash username slash app data slash roaming slash Bamboo Studio to create a fresh configuration when the application restarts. Fix 3. Enable LAN mode and developer mode. Open settings on the printer. Now enable LAN mode or LAN only mode depending on your model. Turn on developer mode and reconnect the printer in your slicer using the displayed IP address and access code. Fix 4. Check your network and micro SD card. Connect the printer to a stable 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. Avoid any VPNs and unstable smart connector networks if they frequently disconnect the printer. Now ensure your firewall and antivirus is not blocking Bamboo Studio. Replace a faulty or corrupted microSD card with high quality class 10 FAT32 formatted card if you experience repeated MQTT timeouts, camera disconnects, or log write failures. Fix 5. Roll back the firmware. This is the last resort. Open Bamboo Handy and navigate to your printer's device settings. If a previous firmware version is available, roll back to an earlier release that supports your workflow. After downgrading, reconnect the printer and verify that MQTT communication has been restored. And once compatible updates are available for your third-party software, update back to the latest firmware for improved security and stability. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share, and subscribe to our channel.